Welcome to this demo of Mobility Analyst, the tool for interactive mobility scans for employers. Here we show in a nutshell how the tool works. If you want to have an in-depth experience, open the demo yourself and click on the explanations. On this start screen you can open your Mobility Analyst file if you have received one from us, or you start a demo of a fictitious employer. Each file opens with a short wrap-up of the current commutes. On the left side of the main screen of Mobility Analyst you will find the measures which you can adjust to different types of mobility policy, such as cycling policy, public transport policy or remote work policy. All measures you set here are immediately calculated and the results are shown on the right side of the screen. In the various tabs you will find information about the impact of the set policy on the commuting of your organization, such as the travel method, travel time, CO2 emissions, vitality and required parking spaces or workplaces. In this example we are going to set a few measures. We will assume that everyone who lives within a cycling distance of less than 10 kilometers will now come to work by bicycle or e-bike. We also assume that public transport is an acceptable alternative if the public transport journey takes less than 20 minutes longer than the car journey. And in this case we choose for the bicycle plus train combination. With car policy we can challenge the lease policy. And with the remote work policy, for example, we can set up that employees with a commute of over 30 minutes will have 2 work-from-home days a week, provided they are present for a minimum of 2 days at the office. On the right-hand side we now see for how many employees cycling or public transport can be an acceptable alternative. And on the various tabs we now see, for example, how much CO2 emissions are associated with this policy. How many parking spaces are required under this policy? What the impact is on employees, vitality, and travel times. The employee map shows how employees can travel, including all kinds of travel details. The yellow dots are employees who travel by public transport in accordance with the set policy, the green dots are cyclists, and the blue dots are motorists. If your organization has multiple locations or target groups, you can use the filter settings at the bottom left to zoom in on a specific part of your organization. If you would like more information about the mobility scan or go through the demo yourself, please go to www.mobilityanalyst.com.